In this video, I will show you how you can change your primary email account in PayPal account, so let's get started. First we need to log into PayPal account. Next, once inside PayPal account, we need to go to my PayPal page. And again on this page, we need to click Settings gear icon to enter PayPal profile page. Here, on the right-hand side, we have the option of changing primary email account. Here we have all the email accounts added in our PayPal account. We can select any other email account from here to make it the primary email account. And done setting a new email account as the primary email account in our personal PayPal account. If we have only the primary email account, we can click Add New Link and add a new email account to make it the primary email account. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added.